Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm Ameya and we are discussing about ASLs in PDMS. In the previous video, we talked about creating a platform. So we have created this platform in the previous video, and now the how to create a negative extrusions in a platform. Okay, so that is called a platform opening. Okay, so you will be needing platform opening for various things to pass various pipe structures, maybe HVACs. You need to have a manholes which we can have different ladders there. So for all those things you need to have a platform opening. Okay, so we will be creating openings for this specific platform. So let us go to main platform task, which is create platform options, which we have seen in the previous video. And in create option you have platform opening. So you have to just select a platform and go to platform opening, and a new opening can be created at that in that platform. So first it asks for the opening location. ठीक है, so what I can do is I can give 2500 as a distance, and yeah, it is giving error because opening origin is outside, so positive x direction is going outside the platform, so I have to go with negative, so minus 2500, which will move at the inside the platform, and then y will be positive. So I am just trying to create the opening at this location, so I have created these openings, the location of the opening, and then you can go for create opening option. Okay, so yeah, not create opening option. First, you have to go for defining geometry. So currently you have not defined a geometry, so you can just go to define option. And similar to platforms, there are 5 options, which is rectangle, L shape, circle, freeform, and polygon. So for now, let us go for a circle. Let's say I want radius of say 1000 maybe, opening, or say 7750 maybe, and locations you can have different locations. So here it is only one as a origin. It will show you the preview. You can have center radius option, and you can just go to define opening boundary, back to the original define opening, and then you can say create opening. A opening will be created at that location. This is how you basically create the opening for your platform. Okay, let us do one more just to get it clear. You will just again go to options opening. Let's go for 7500, maybe minus because of the direction, and 2500. So let us create an opening here. This time let us create a rectangular opening, say 1000 by 1000. Okay, if it is very small you can just go with 1000 by 2000 maybe, and that will give you the opening at perfect center. So let's go 2000 by 2000. That will create a square opening, and same, you can have different location. Let's say I want it to be here. I can have different origins, and you can just go with define opening boundary, create opening, and that opening will be created. Okay, now let's say I want to modify this opening. So modify option is also there in platform opening itself. You can go for select modify selected opening. So you can just select this opening. This is opening 1, this is opening 2. It will give you the numbers. This is first opening, this is second opening. You can just select the opening. You can go to modify selected opening, and then you can change the length. Say I want 1500 and by 1500, and then you can say accept changes. Depending upon your origin, the length of those openings will be changed. Okay, If you want to delete a opening, let's say I want to delete this first opening, a circle, you can just say delete selected opening, and that opening will be deleted from your platform, and your platform will be again like a normal platform. Okay, then you can go to back platform task. You have options of this modification in modify. Once you create an opening, this modify opening option will activated, and then you can just go to this option openings and you can modify the existing opening. Now the first one we have deleted, so that number changes to first and this becomes your first opening. Okay, so this is how you can create a negative extrusions in platform. Those are called openings in platform, which will be used for say manholes to pass various branches of your pipes, maybe creating different structures. So all those things can be created with the opening option. Okay, so you can assign opening on a specific location for a platform. So yeah, this is what I want to discuss in this video. In coming video, we will be talking about handrails, creating various types of handrails. So stay connected. If you like this content, do subscribe my channel, follow my channel for latest content, and share a word about channel with your friends, those who are interested to learn PDMS. Thank you for joining.